Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I will show you how to uninstall Discord from your device in 2025. So if you are using Discord in your Windows, you just have to simply click on the start menu, and over here you just have to simply search for settings. Now once you are able to find settings, once you are in your settings, you need to click on the apps option, and here you will see installed apps. So once you click on installed apps, you will see all of the applications that are basically installed in your PC. So you just have to simply search for Discord here, and after searching for Discord, once you are able to find Discord, you need to simply click on the three dots right next to it and click on the uninstall button in order to confirm your uninstallation. Now, in order to remove the leftover files, you will have to simply press Windows plus R on your keyboard, and then you will see this type of pop-up in front of you. Now over here, you need to simply type this command, that is percentage app data percentage, and click OK. Now once you click OK, you will see the Discord file here in this section. So you just have to simply scroll down and select the Discord file. After that, you just have to delete that folder, and you can even delete the local app data option if needed. So this way you can basically uninstall Discord from your device. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching.